What's the meaning of canoeing? Canoeing. Canoeing.
Canoeing. Canoeing. Canoeing is a water activity that involves paddling a small boat known as a canoe. It requires physical strength, balance, and coordination. The objective is to navigate through the water using a single-bladed paddle, which propels the canoe forward. Canoeing can be done in various environments, such as calm lakes, fast-moving rivers, and even rapids. The result is a thrilling experience that allows individuals to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. It's also a great form of exercise that provides a full-body workout while improving cardiovascular health.